Namaste, my friend. Sit with me for a moment. Let's breathe together, slow and steady. In this breath, everything begins. In this breath, consistency is born. People often ask me, Master, why can't I stay consistent? Why do I start strong but lose my way? And every time I smile because I once asked the same question. When I entered the path of spirituality many years ago, I believed enlightenment would happen in a moment, like a thunderbolt from the heavens. I thought discipline came naturally to sages, and that consistency was a gift only for the blessed. But Shiva, the Adi yogi, teaches differently. Shiva did not become the supreme yogi in a single meditation. He sat still for years, unmoved by storms, tempted by distractions, ignored by the world. He was not consistent because life was easy. He was consistent because he decided nothing was more important than his purpose. And that is the first truth I learned. Consistency is not a battle of motivation. It is a declaration of priorities. You and I both fall off track not because we are weak, but because we silently give permission to something else to become more important. Comfort, fear, comparison, doubt, or entertainment. Ask yourself gently, no judgment. What is stealing your attention? What have you allowed to matter more than your growth? The day I realized this, my life changed. I stopped asking, how do I stay consistent? And began asking, what am I living for? The second truth is something Shiva teaches through silence. Consistency is not intensity, it is devotion. The world worships dramatic effort, 100 push-ups in a day, 8 hours of work in one sitting, big resolutions, loud promises. But devotion is quiet. 5 minutes of daily meditation will transform you more than 1 hour once a week. Reading one page of a book every night will shape you more than finishing a whole book in a weekend. A drop of water may seem small, but drop after drop after drop, it carves stone. Do not chase intensity. Chase continuity. The third truth is something I learned through failure. I tried to meditate 2 hours daily. For 1 week, I felt invincible. Then, one day, I missed, and everything shattered. Shame entered. Guilt entered. I failed, I told myself. But failure isn't missing a day. Failure is letting shame convince you not to return. So, I created a rule that has guided me ever since. If you fall, restart the very next breath. Not the next day, the next breath. Miss meditation? Meditate for 2 minutes right now. Broke your diet? Make your next meal healthy. Skipped your exercise? Do 5 minutes immediately. Consistency is not perfection. Consistency is loyalty. And finally, the most important lesson. Be patient. Growth is invisible before it becomes undeniable. When Shiva meditated, nothing changed. Trees looked the same. Mountains looked the same. His life looked the same. But something was changing within. Your transformation works the same way. Day by day, you won't notice a difference. Then one day, suddenly, your mind listens to you. Your habits feel natural. Your purpose becomes clear. Keep going, even when results are invisible. Because the moment you feel nothing is happening is usually when everything is happening. So today I leave you with a mantra. Not to repeat, but to live. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to return. Return to the goal. Return to the practice. Return to yourself. When return becomes natural, consistency becomes inevitable. And when consistency becomes inevitable, transformation becomes unstoppable. Pause. Feel this truth. Let it settle. If this message touched even a single corner of your heart, then today, not tomorrow, take the smallest step toward your purpose. 5 minutes is enough. Just return. Namaste.